Constitution guarantees marriage equality.
As the answer is pulled back.
I am a Negro, and I'm very proud.
But I remember the feeling that it left.
In the church that I went to that was in my neighborhood, but was a white church, and the people who went to that church used up all the seats, and those seats that they didn't use up, we didn't have them either, because black people only had 3 pews in the northeast side of the church. Now, if there were more black Catholics coming, they just had to stand up, even though there would be empty pews around us. And on Saturday, I'd go to confession. You had to do that in order to take communion on Sunday. When I asked the priest who was in the confessional, why do we always have to sit in the back of the church? He said, because that's where you belong. And then he said, and don't ever ask that question again. Now you say 3 Hail Marys, the act of contrition, and don't ever ask that question again. When I went home and told my father about it, he said, Lois, you will not have to go to that church anymore. So on Sunday mornings, my brothers and I went to St. Elizabeth's Church, which was on Pine Street, and that was east of Grand Avenue and out of the community.